Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, so now we are going to solve question number 9 of chapter number 16. The statement is find the remaining sides of the given parallelogram. Here in this figure we have a parallelogram and we have to find the remaining sides of this parallelogram. As in solution, the givens are AB, which is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Since ABCD is a parallelogram, so side AB is parallel to side CD. So AB and DC are parallel to each other. So AB, the opposite sides of parallelogram are also equal. So AB is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Then CD or DC will be equal to AB, which is AB is equal to CD because they are opposite sides in parallelogram, so they are equal to each other, which is 2.5 centimeter. And in this figure we have two triangles ABD and BCD. By comparing these two triangles, by comparing triangle ABD and triangle CBD, we have AB and its opposite side DC are equal to each other. So it is given, and the DB, as we can see that DB is a common in both the triangles. So DB is in common in both the triangles, and angle ABD, this angle, and angle CBD, this angle, are equal to each other. So angle ABC and CBD, which are given, they are also equal, and these three elements are equal in both the triangles. So we can say that the triangle ABD is congruent to or equal to the triangle BCD. So as the remaining sides and angles of a congruent triangles are also equal, so side AD is equal to BC, and in this way we have found the remaining sides of BC, AD and CD, which is equal to 2.5 centimeters. So question number 9, first part, second part will also be done in this way. You will try at home.